Plastic. Today, plastic is everywhere. Here, even here. Even people name as our age as the age of plastics. When you come to its creation and its purpose behind, it can't be more simple: making money. In 1907, in New York, the father of plastic industry, Leo Baekeland, successfully got patent of his new invention, Picklet, the world's first fully synthetic plastic. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to read the chemical name of Picklet. What really matters is it remarks the beginning of the age of plastics. And only for more than 100 years, plastic has become so ubiquitous and convenient in extremely wide application to most branches of industry that hardly could we live without it. This great invention helped Baekeland to receive many awards and honors, and pushed him to be one of cover figure of Time magazine. Ironically, in 1978, 34 years later after his death, a wave of environmental protection arose. Plastic suddenly became an evil due to plastic's slow decomposition rate in natural ecosystems. Massive plastic products starting in the early 20th century has caused widespread environmental problems. Overnight, this remarkable invention and its successful applications and products turn into being one of the greatest threats to our environment on Earth. Towards the end of the 20th century, the plastic industry promoted recycling in order to assert environmental concerns while continuing to produce virgin plastic. The main companies producing plastics doubted the economic viabilities of cycling at the time, and this is reflected in the contemporary plastic collection. But unfortunately, plastic collection and recycling is largely ineffective because of a failure of contemporary decision-making mechanism that results in a complexity and amount of cleaning and sort past customer plastics too high for contemporary methods. Most plastic produced has not been reused, either being captured in landfills or persisting in the environment as plastic pollution, which is creating garbage patches in all over the world oceans and contaminating terrestrial ecosystems. Surprisingly, in Mariana Great Trench, at more than 10,000 meters deep, the deepest oceans area, humans could dive and reach so far. Besides fantastic and animal creatures there, adventurers also detected plastic. Even according to a report about microplastics pollution from the United Nations, its negative effects in oceans is threatening fertility stability on young women, as the food chains have looped in the whole ecosystems since 1960s.
What? Since my invention needs to go to use, it turns out a worldwide poison. How could? I just want to make money and realize my American dream initially.